Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is the 29th April 2024. In this video, let us find the stocks near demand and supply zones for all the time frames. We will also identify daily and 75 minutes high liquidity demand and supply zones. And at the end of the video, we will generate stop buffers based on daily ATR. So before generation, an announcement please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. And please visit our NeoStock YouTube channel and click on this community tab. And here we provided the link to access the playlist having all the training videos. Just click the link on this post and you will get into the playlist supply demand zone price action course. And then scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here starting from lesson 1.1, all the training lessons are available in an order. So please go through all these lessons and strengthen your skills. I have also provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in that channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new YouTube video, we will provide an update in that channel. Now let's get into the report generation. So let us start our, let us find the stocks starting from quarterly time frame until 5 minutes time frame. So I am selecting the entry time frame as quarterly, and let us find the stocks near quarterly demand zone. So 5 stocks are filtered which are near to the quarterly demand zone. I'll be giving you only few seconds time to watch this report and then move on to the next report. You please pause the video. You can study all these columns and parameters. If required, using the timestamps in this column leg in, base and leg out candles, you can draw the zones in your charts. If you are not aware of how to understand this report, I already explained in detail in lesson 21.1. That is part 1 of lesson 21. So please go through that lesson. There I explained each and everything in detail, and also I shown you how to draw zones in TradingView by taking the details, timestamps from leg in, base and leg out. So I am moving to the next report. Let me go back. For quarterly time frame, let us find the stocks near quarterly supply zone. So 3 stocks are filtered which are near to the quarterly supply zone. So let me go back. Changing the time frame to monthly, and let us find the stocks near monthly demand zone. So these 7 stocks are filtered near to the monthly demand zone. I am going back. For monthly time frame, let us find the stocks near monthly supply zone. So these 5 stocks are filtered. Let me go back. Changing the time frame to weekly, let us find the stocks near weekly demand zone. So these are the 5 stocks filtered near to the weekly demand zone. So let me go back. For weekly time frame, let us find the stocks near weekly supply zone. These 5 stocks are filtered near to the weekly supply zone. So I am going back, changing the time frame to daily. Entry time frame is daily. Let us find the stocks near daily demand zone. So these 8 stocks are filtered near to the daily demand zone. Now let us identify high liquidity daily demand zones from this list. We have this is the high liquidity demand zone, LTTS, L&T Technology Services. This is a fresh zone. So you need to fine tune this zone, check the quality of the zone. And if you find the fine tuned 5 minute zone, you can plan the trade. Next one, MFSL, Max Financial Services. This is also high liquidity zone, a fresh zone. So you have to check the quality of the zone, fine tune the zone. And next one is Reliance. So this is a Reliance is already tested 3 times and 7 rejections from this zone. So you need to check for a fresh fine-tuned 5-minute zone. If it is available, you can plan a trade. Otherwise, zone might be violated. So we have identified 3 high liquidity daily demand zones from this list. Now let's move on to the next report. For daily time frame, let us find the stocks near daily supply zone. So 6 stocks are filtered. Let us identify high liquidity supply zones. The first one is a pierced zone, so leave it. And the Bank of Baroda is having a high liquidity zone, already tested once. So you should find a fresh fine-tuned 5-minute zone to plan your trade. That's it. We have only one high liquidity daily supply zone from this list. So I'm going back, changing the time frame to 125 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 125 minutes demand zone. So these 7 stocks are filtered. Let me go back. For 125 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 125 minutes supply zone. So these 9 stocks are filtered. So I'm going back, changing the time frame to 75 minutes. Entry time frame is 75 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 75 minutes demand zone. So these 5 stocks are filtered. Let us find the high liquidity 75 minutes demand zones from this list. We have SBI Life. This is a high liquidity 75 minutes demand zone, already tested 3 times. So you need to look for a fresh fine-tuned 5-minute zone. So you have only one high liquidity 75 minutes demand zone from this list. So let me go back. For 75 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 75 minutes supply zone. 9 stocks are filtered. So let us look for high liquidity 75 minute supply zones from this list. Bharti Airtel is already pierced, so you can't plan a trade. REC Limited is also pierced, so you can't plan a trade. You have Reliance again. So already we identified Reliance daily demand zone, but this is also near to the 75 minute supply zone also. Very interesting. First time we got a stock like this, near to demand zone in one time frame and near to supply zone in another time frame. Very interesting. And here it is already tested 3 times and 9 rejections. So you look for a fine-tuned 5-minute zone. If you find, if prices enter, you can plan a trade. So we have only one high liquidity 75 minute supply zone from this list. Okay, let me go back, changing the time frame to 25 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 25 minutes demand zone. So these 6 stocks are filtered. Let me go back. For 25 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 25 minutes supply zone. So these 4 stocks are filtered. I'm going back, changing the time frame to 15 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 15 minutes demand zone. So these 8 stocks are filtered. So let me go back. For 15 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 15 minutes supply zone. So these 5 stocks are filtered. So I'm going back, changing the time frame to 5 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 5 minutes demand zone. These are the 3 filtered stocks. I'm going back. For 5 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 5 minutes supply zone. So these 6 stocks are filtered. So these are the stocks near demand and supply zones. Now let us generate the last report, that is stop buffers based on daily ATR. I am generating the report. So this is the daily ATR here in this column. 15% ATR you can use it for daily time frame, 10% ATR you can use it for 75 minutes or 125 minutes time frame, 5% ATR you can use it for 15 minutes or 25 minutes time frame, and 3% ATR you can use it for 5 minutes time frame. And the first 17 in this list are indices, remaining all are equity stocks, but they are listed in F&O segment. So I am scrolling this list down by giving you few seconds time on each scroll. So if you want to refer any of this stock, please pause the video. So I am scrolling down. So this is the complete list. Hope this information will be helpful to you for your further study and analysis. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.